Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with more daily work from home job leads. Today, I have 5 different jobs that are hiring worldwide outside of the United States. So you can still apply to these. The first 3 of them are hiring anywhere in the world, so you can apply to them if you are in the United States or outside the United States. The last 2 are for specific locations outside of the United States. We will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just to know that the links to everything that I share is in the YouTube description box below if you would like to put your application in. And just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share the information that I find online. So outside of these job postings, I don't have any additional information. But first up, we have the company Scorpic. They are hiring a remote financial analyst, and they are hiring worldwide anywhere in the world. This is a full-time position. They are looking for someone to assist the team in maintaining and monitoring the KPIs dashboard, ensuring the protection of data integrity, gathering and analyzing data to prepare financial and operational reports, monitoring the company-wide budgeting process, and of course providing support services for those monthly reports related to cost and profitability. Now, they are not requiring any kind of degree. They are looking for someone who's 2 years of experience in either finance, accounting, or some kind of data analytics, someone who knows knowledge with data modeling and simulation, someone who has strong communication skills, excellent attention to detail, great written English language. They are looking for someone who has 2 years of professional experience in some kind of finance, accounting, or data analytics field, someone who has knowledge of data modeling, someone who has strong communication skills, excellent attention to detail. You do have to have a written and spoken English skills. They are really looking for someone who has a bachelor degree in some kind of financial field, be accounting, business administration, finance, economics, and someone who has the knowledge of IT and software is preferred. Now, they do not state what the pay is. That is going to be dependent on location and experience, but it does say their salary is negotiable and you will be paid per hour, and then they pay monthly via wire transfer. Next up, we have the company First Page Strategy, or FPS for short, hiring a content lead. Now, even though this company is based out of Washington, they are hiring worldwide. It says that work from anywhere mantra is their lifeblood. But they are specifically looking for someone to manage, maintain, and advocate for high content standards in partnership with content SEOs and teams. You'll oversee content consolidation for blog to boost organic traffic and conversions. You'll propose new topic opportunities for evergreen content. You'll manage the content calendar for the blog monthly to strike the perfect balance between reactive and evergreen content. You'll coordinate the content for landing pages, newsletter campaigns, and other projects. And you'll also collaborate with the editorial projects as far as social media and video teams. They are looking for someone who has 5 years of experience as a content lead, someone who has inbound marketing experience, someone who has the ability to navigate analytics, someone who can have great high attention to detail, someone who is eager and willing to jump into task yourself and just get things done. You need to have a storytelling mindset, and they want someone who has 3 to 5 years experience using HubSpot. Now, if you do have that experience, it pays very, very well. The annual salary for this position is anywhere from $90,000 a year all the way up to $110,000 a year. Of course, this is 100% remote. You can work from anywhere. They only have a 32-hour work week. It says they work 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time hours. And of course, they also offer benefits including health, dental, vision, 401k. They offer a monthly mobile phone and internet stipend of $150 a month, and all the tech tools you need to be successful, so they supply you with a MacBook and all. Next up, if you have customer service skills, ConvertFlow is hiring a customer success manager. They are looking for a customer success manager to help brands achieve their marketing and revenue goals through the use of ConvertFlow as an all-in-one funnel builder. So they are looking for someone to really learn the ConvertFlow platform, develop and grow your knowledge for the products and services, and be that trusted one-on-one coach coach for the users of the services. So this is a customer service type role. They are looking for someone who has 2 years of customer-facing experience in an implementation, client services, or customer success role. Someone who can demonstrate success in a fast-paced and very demanding environment, detail-oriented, someone who has great communication skills, who is a tech-savvy, and who has experience using email marketing platforms. Now again, it says that you can work from anywhere. This says they do have a competitive salary, even though they do not state what that is, and they offer benefits including health, dental, vision, 401k, all of the things. They also give you a company laptop. Now, these last two jobs do have specific locations outside of the United States. This one is specific for the country of India. The company Postman is hiring a customer ops support. This is a contractor role for those in India. It is a paid contract for 6 months, and that has a possibility of turning into a full-time permanent position. They are looking for someone to manage a queue of technical support tickets, someone to prioritize issues based on customer impact. You would have to work 50 plus tickets a week across Zendesk, Salesforce, and Jira with defined SLAs. You'll have to handle payments, refunds, and credits, and raise product bugs to the relevant team. So this is a non-phone customer support position. They are looking for someone who has excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who has the flexibility to work different shifts, someone who has the ability to produce high quality support work, working on Zendesk, and someone who is a self-starter. And last but not least, if you live in Puerto Rico, the big health insurance company United Healthcare is hiring a medical records specialist, and they also are offering a $750 sign-on bonus for the right person. So they are looking for someone to enter demographics and clinical data into their database, someone to electronically access the client clinical system and obtain data as well as enter case recommendations, someone responsible for documentation, preparation, data entry, indexing, and quality control. You'll assist sometimes in placing telephonic calls to provide case updates when they are needed. You'll have to communicate with the current retrospective teams, vendors, and other support teams as needed, and perform any other relative duties. Now, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or a higher degree, 1 year experience with medical record management or medical billing, someone who is proficient in both Spanish and English, and someone who has a proven knowledge of office procedures, and you can use Microsoft Outlook, Excel, Word, all the things. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen, one I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.